Hi, I'm Nick Bonner for treestuff.com, and this is the RC Grapple. Reg Coates, one of the most famous field arborists of all time, went to the Notch team with an idea, and he hooked them. It was a grappling hook. Its folding design allows it to hang on your harness like this. It's super simple, it's super sleek, and when you throw it through the tree, it throws in that folded shape. And when it goes over the limb, then it expands, hooks, and is super secure. You can twist your rope to get it off. If you want to remove this dog bone and put a splice in, you can. I actually recommend not doing that. I did that as soon as I got it. It was a bad idea. It works much better with having a carabiner here because it gives it extra pivot points, which is useful when you're working it over or around a branch. Either way, when you store this on your harness, it's super easy to use. It was invented by one of the coolest arborists ever, Reg Coates, which is super notable. And overall, it's just a great device. It's sleek, it's cool looking, it works really well, and you can use it to put traverses or other lateral climbing techniques into your system today. You can get this and almost everything we sell on treestuff.com for 7% off with the coupon code ONLINE, ONLINE. Thanks for watching.